Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact charge. Read the order ID, timestamp, and amount on your receipt. Once done, gather supporting evidence, email confirmations, PDF, screenshots, and the card or bank statement line that shows the charge. Make sure to note the payment method and any account or subscription ID tied to the purchase. This gives you the facts you'll present, speeds up verification, and prevents back and forth. You'll use these documents in the next step when contacting support or opening a dispute. You contact the merchant using their official support channel, chat, phone, or a billing portal, and state the problem clearly. Explain the discrepancy, upload your evidence, and request the outcome you want: refund, correction, or applied credit. Once you've made the case, ask for an escalation reference or ticket number and a specific response timeframe. If the frontline agent can't resolve it, you should request a supervisor or billing specialist. This preserves a trail and improves chances of a prompt, correct resolution. You file a dispute with your bank or card issuer if the merchant fails to resolve it. Submit the order ID, merchant responses, and receipts. Monitor your account for provisional or final refunds and confirm the charge's status once the process completes. If the dispute is denied, retrace your evidence, request escalation at the merchant, and document every interaction for appeal. One key troubleshooting tip: if timelines slip, ask for written confirmation of delays and keep screenshots. These often sway later reviews and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.